Good morning, folks. Here we are live at Horseshoe Curve in Pennsylvania. We got a train making its way up the grade here, waiting on it to go. I'm not sure exactly if it's the directions here. It's either going east or west, I think. Hey, Chandler. Welcome aboard my live feed here. It's an NS train. We're at the famed Horseshoe Curve, just outside the Altoona, Pennsylvania. I was going to do a drone shot here, and I will eventually, but I left the controller down at the bottom of the hill, so I got to walk all them steps back. And this train was coming along, so I wanted to go ahead and get a live feed on him. Myself and fellow rail fan Ryan Scott over there taking pictures are on a week-long trip to photograph around Pennsylvania and West Virginia. Hey, Lisa. Hey, Larry. Welcome aboard, everybody. They move kind of slow up through here, especially when they're pulling the grade coming up. I'm sure many of you have seen Horseshoe Curve before. I haven't been here in quite some time. It's probably been several years. Morning, Gerald. Morning, Kat. Or Matt, rather. Welcome aboard, everyone. Hey, Vernon. Hey, Peter. Slugging away here. I think somebody asked what this little building is here. I really don't have a clue. I'm sure at one point it was a trackside shelter for crews or whatever. Good morning, Jeffrey. Morning, Kenneth. If you've never been here, it's quite a place to rail fan. There's 3 tracks through here. Greetings, everyone. Greetings, Hardy. As I said a minute ago, I'll be rail fanning throughout the area in Pennsylvania and West Virginia. We're headed up to Strasburg for a historic historic transport photo charter on Sunday with their Strasburg locomotive number 475. That will be leading the way. There's about 40 of us on our charter. Should be a good time. But between now and then, we're going to be chasing trains around Hamburg and Altoona and all the other places in between. We're going to probably catch the Reading and Northern as well while we're here. So we can zoom in a little bit and get over here where we can. Welcome, Bill. Looks like we got a maintenance away folks over there in the corner, around the curve. Hey, Nori. Hey, Bill. Thanks, everybody, for joining my live feed here this morning. on Jim Pearson Photography. We got another train coming. We're at Horseshoe Curve, just outside Altoona, Pennsylvania. And we've either got another train coming down, or else it's a set of helpers. I'm not sure exactly which. Hey, Doug. Hey, Ian. Thanks, everybody, for joining us this morning on this live broadcast. Yeah, it looks like it might be a set of helpers coming back up the hill. But that'd be cool. Yes, we're going to, that's one of the spots on our day trip, or our trip tomorrow. We're spending 2 nights in Hamburg, and we're going to be rail fanning that railroad, along with some other stuff as well, of course. We'll follow these helpers down, and then I'm going to cut this live broadcast off so that I can walk back down the hill and get my controller for the drone, so I can do a live broadcast here a bit later on from the drone. Hey, Charles. Yeah, cutting in and out has to do with the reception up here, probably. Of course, it could have, if you're cutting in and out, it could also be that your cell service is not strong enough. There we go, we're back. Well, there goes the helpers. Y'all kind of stay tuned. I'll be doing some other live feeds today as well. But I'm going to go ahead and cut this one off so I can go down and get my controller. If you happen to be out trackside today, as always, stay safe and have a blessed day, everyone. And I'll catch you here before too much longer.